की strictly एक message वचपाक जाय की केसली construction within 100 meters from the boundary of the notified ASI monument. In the past, there have been attempts. Preparation and implementation of a master plan as per UNESCO and NMA guidelines needs to be done. Formation of a conservation committee with representation from all the stakeholders.
Was calling attention along with Yuri Alemao, Carlos आणि Venzy वांगडा घातलेले आसा आणि हे कित्याक घातला की एक मास्टर प्लॅनाची गरज आसा जो युनेस्को आमचो वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज सायट आसा ओल्ड गोवा हांगा मास्टर प्लॅनाची गरज आसा हो जो रिप्लाय येयला हांगा स्पेसिफिकली तेंच्यांनी सांगला की नो नीड फॉर मास्टर प्लॅन टू सेफगार्ड द सायट प्रोटेक्टेड बाय ASI हो रिप्लाय दिल्लो आसा मिनिस्टरान. आतां स्पीकर सर अशें दाखोवंक सोदता की हांगा कांयच जावंक ना.
सब्जेक्टाचे मर्यादित
फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊस अश्युरन्स दिल्लो 3 महिन्या भितर जो बफर झोन आसा हो रिजनल प्लॅनान नोटिफाय करतले म्हणून
त्यांनी वाचल्या काय करू शकना त्यांका सवय पडल्या
to stop giving any more construction permissions in regulated zones until these rules are in place. Number 3, develop a master plan for Old Goa which stretches beyond the 300-meter buffer. And number 4, clarify under what legal authority the CTP is issuing permissions and whether the National Monuments Authority has approved this. Because
as far as the master plan is, whatever the plan is concerned, earlier plan in 2021 was already notified. On that the protected area was there, but I have given an assurance to Yuri that I'll ask the conservation committee to once again go through anything, and if there's anything specific, if required, the conservation committee and members of the opposition who want to come for the meeting, you can give your views to them.
So the master plan we are talking about is for beyond that 300 meters, so that you can say what type of development, what type of height and other restrictions which can come, because that, the question is that also in your conservation zone? That is the first question which comes.
एक मुझे दोन डिमांड है. A prepare master plan with public participation and cancel all non-emergency building permission granted in Old Goa within 300 meters area.
प्लॅन म्हणल्यार ताका एलर्जी कितें जाता तरी कळना म्हाका. मास्टर प्लॅन म्हणटा तो कितें जाता आमी कित्याक मास्टर प्लॅन मागतात. That the objective of the master plan is heritage protection and conservation. You have nothing against that?
I think the government should be clear, and in the regional plan I think also thing gang घेवपा जाय कित्याक पोत्तून एकदा issues जावपा जायना. I know we were एक project pass केल्लो on IBB जेतो मागीर हें केल्लो. Every week अशकोन आहा UNESCO site आहा आनी कितें आहा. There should be it should be taken care and plan.
We will sit with the conservation committee, take their point of view. You will be there for that meeting, and in that meeting we will conclude. And also, I cannot give just a blanket assurance. Let me also talk to the conservation committee.
No, there are so many illegalities already. Tomorrow your own report says that.
Because tomorrow is the demands. Yes. I am going to answer this particular thing after discussing with the conservation.
No, but you master plan korpa tuk naga.
फाल्या तुका concrete answer दिता.
Yes.
Concrete answer काम करूया. उलयता फाल्या.